Hey guys, I'm Henry from Product Creation Formula, and today we're diving into an exciting update that's going to change how you approach digital product creation, ChatGPT's new memory feature. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a game changer that can seriously streamline your workflow and boost your creativity. So, what exactly is ChatGPT's memory feature? Essentially, it allows ChatGPT to remember details from our previous interactions. This means it can recall specific preferences, strategies, and even ongoing projects we've discussed. Imagine having a digital assistant that not only helps you brainstorm ideas, but also keeps track of your progress and adapts to your evolving needs over time. Let's explore how this can benefit your video creation process. If you're like me, you're always looking for new ways to engage your audience on YouTube. With ChatGPT's memory, it can remember your audience demographics, preferred video formats, and even the types of content that perform best on your channel. This insight is invaluable when planning your next series or optimizing your video production schedule. For instance, if you've been experimenting with AI tools to enhance your video editing process, ChatGPT can remind you of the specific tools and techniques we've discussed before. It can also suggest new AI-driven approaches to create more dynamic and visually appealing content that resonates with your viewers. Now let's talk about leveraging ChatGPT's memory in the realm of digital products. Whether you're creating ebooks, online courses, or downloadable templates, consistency is key to building your brand. ChatGPT can remember the style and tone you prefer, ensuring that your content remains cohesive across different platforms and products. If you're working on an ebook about digital marketing strategies or a comprehensive guide to using PLR content effectively, ChatGPT's memory can recall the chapters you've outlined, the key points you want to emphasize, and even suggest additional sections based on successful strategies we've discussed. Moving beyond content creation, ChatGPT's memory can also support your marketing efforts. If you're planning a product launch or promotional campaign, it can remind you of past campaigns that generated high engagement or sales. This helps you replicate successful strategies and avoid common pitfalls. Let's not forget about the design aspect. Whether you're designing graphics for social media posts or creating a new logo for your brand, ChatGPT's memory can remember your design preferences, preferred color schemes, and even layout choices. This ensures consistency and professionalism in all your visual assets. Now let's tie it all together with practical examples. Imagine you're planning a series of YouTube shorts to promote your latest digital product. ChatGPT can recall your preferred video length, editing style, and even suggest trending topics that align with your niche. This level of personalized assistance not only saves time, but also enhances the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. As you can see, ChatGPT's memory feature isn't just about remembering details. It's about empowering you to create with confidence and efficiency. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a creative team, this tool can be your secret weapon in staying organized, innovative, and ahead of the curve in digital product creation. Let's delve deeper into specific scenarios where ChatGPT's memory can make a significant impact. Suppose you're a content creator who frequently produces tutorials on using AI tools for video editing. In previous interactions with ChatGPT, you've discussed various AI algorithms, their applications in video enhancement, and the best practices for integrating AI into your workflow. With memory, ChatGPT can retain these discussions, ensuring that future conversations build upon this foundational knowledge. For example, if you're exploring a new AI-powered feature that promises faster rendering times or enhanced color grading capabilities, ChatGPT can draw upon past conversations to provide context-specific advice and recommendations. Furthermore, let's consider the scenario of launching a new digital product such as an online course on advanced video editing techniques. ChatGPT's memory can track the development stages of your course creation process, from initial brainstorming sessions to finalizing module outlines and lesson plans. If you've previously discussed strategies for structuring engaging course content or incorporating interactive quizzes to enhance learning outcomes, ChatGPT can recall these insights and offer tailored guidance as you refine your course materials. This personalized support not only accelerates the course creation timeline, but also ensures that your content meets the expectations of your target audience. Now, shifting gears to content marketing strategies, imagine you're preparing a series of blog posts to promote your newly launched digital product. ChatGPT's memory can recall your preferred SEO keywords, content distribution channels, and past successful blog formats that have driven traffic and engagement. By leveraging this accumulated knowledge, ChatGPT can assist in drafting compelling blog headlines, optimizing meta descriptions for search visibility, and suggesting thematic content clusters that resonate with your audience's interests. This proactive approach to content creation minimizes guesswork and maximizes the impact of your marketing efforts. Moreover, let's explore how ChatGPT's memory can enhance collaborative projects within your creative team. If you're working with graphic designers, copywriters, and marketing strategists to develop a cohesive branding campaign, ChatGPT can serve as a central repository of project insights and decision-making rationale. For example, if you've previously discussed brand identity guidelines, preferred messaging tones, and target audience personas, ChatGPT's memory ensures that all team members have access to this contextual information. This promotes consistency across design assets, marketing collateral, and customer communications, reinforcing brand loyalty and recognition. In summary, ChatGPT's memory feature represents a significant leap forward in AI-driven productivity tools for digital product creators. By retaining contextual knowledge and adapting to evolving project requirements, ChatGPT empowers you to innovate, collaborate, and execute with precision across all stages of product development and marketing. All right, guys, we've covered a lot of ground today, exploring how ChatGPT's memory feature can revolutionize your approach to digital product creation. If you're eager to harness the full potential of AI in your creative endeavors, stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials and practical tips coming your way. And remember, if you found this exploration of ChatGPT's memory feature helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new content. Your support keeps us motivated to continue delivering valuable insights for digital product creators like you. That wraps up today's discussion. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating.